Hello traders, this is Riddhi from Team Phi 1. In this video, we're going to look at another strategy using Bollinger Bands, this time with RSI. Now, in our previous videos, we have explained what Bollinger Bands and RSI are all about, but for those who don't know, let's take a very quick look at these indicators. Bollinger Bands are typically constructed out of three lines. The middle line is the 20-day SMA. The upper and lower bands or lines are made of plus minus 1 or 2 standard deviations from the moving average. Now the idea is that most of the price action with Bollinger Bands is contained within these bands. So whenever there is a movement outside the upper or the lower band, it may indicate a major event like a trading signal. Now above the upper line is the overbought region and below the lower line is the oversold region. Now RSI is a momentum indicator. It indicates the strength of a trend. With the RSI, usually we take values of 0 to 100 and we plot regions between 30 and 70 being the threshold. Anything above 70 is usually the overbought region. However, the thing with RSI is that when the price of the stock or a script starts losing momentum, it is up for a slightly longer duration because of the inertia. That means there is still some time for the rally to lose steam. So in our strategy today, we're going to take a buy position when the RSI crosses over 70 and the closing price of the stock crosses above the upper band. And we exit when our stop loss or take profit condition is met. Now let's go to the platform and try this strategy for ourselves. Log on to Phi 1 Core, go to Strategies and select Create Strategy. You are free to enter any parameters, unlimited entry and exit conditions, and over 120 indicators and create any arbitrary strategy without the knowledge of coding. All you need to do is start by adding some scripts. Okay, now let's select the time interval for the candles. I'm going with the 1 hour candle, but you can choose any interval between 1 minute and 1 month. My position would be a buy, buying 10 quantities or say 100 quantities of each of these scripts if my conditions are met. My entry condition will have RSI being greater than 70 and my closing price being higher than my upper band. So I'm selecting a length of 20 for my SMA, and my exit condition I am simply using a stop loss and target profit. I select a random period for conducting my backtest. You can always come back and check out your results of backtest for different periods. Name your strategy. And save and backtest. Now while we're waiting for our backtest results, Typically, I use a criterion that I want my trades to have at least a 50% win rate. Over here, I have two scripts who are meeting that criterion, that is HDFC Bank and ITC. So I'm going to go edit my form and remove these three scripts that I don't want to go ahead with. Keeping everything else the same. I'm going to check the backtest results again. Okay, this looks like a doable trade. Let's go to deploy. Before you take your trades live, always remember to paper trade your strategies so that you can see how your strategies will perform in the live or real environment with absolutely no risks of losing any money. If you're satisfied, take your trades live, selecting a broker of your choice and clicking take live. Now, if you want to try the strategy we just illustrated, feel free to click on the link in the description. It gives you a 15-day free trial period to explore all of our features on Phi 1 Core. Also, if you go to the platform, you'll see a lot of strategies under the Discover section. These are template-based ready-made strategies which are fully customizable with any values, any indicators and any added conditions of your choice. We hope you liked this video. If you did, do subscribe to our channel and keep coming back for more videos.